I'm hobo number 1.
Hobo number 2.
And we're playing a hobo number skit.
Okay. This is our cart,
my hobo buddy.
which doesn't work, and I really don't want to ride it because one of the wheels
my hobo
are
buddy. We are going downhill. Hobo buddy.
Miss Hobo Buddy, I don't want to.
Get in!
I'm sorry that I'm fat. Ride.
Do not lean on one wheel that does not actually stand in the cart.
No, because you.
I will not hurt you. Stop. Get in. Actually step in the cart. Yeah.
Oh,
Now lean
shaking.
to your right, just more than the left.
Oh my gosh! If you drop me, I will kill you.
Oh, what if the wheel gets stuck?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Stop it! I hate you so much. That was crazy. It did a front flip out of the ground. I hate you.
See that from my perspective.
Oh wow.
That was freaking awesome.
Look at that cart. I am never going in that again. Even on a bike, I can't trust you.
That was freaking. No, you should have seen it from my perspective. Ready? You were sitting in the cart.
I hate you. Why did you have to run into that area?